Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Discord on desktop or the web client. This gives full access to settings you need to change. Once logged in, go straight to User Settings, then Security and Privacy, and open Authorized Apps or the Connections view where bot tokens or app grants appear. Make sure two-factor authentication is available in case Discord prompts you. This prevents accidental lockouts. While you look, identify the specific bots by name so you remove only the correct ones and preserve other integrations. Now you remove access. Click the bot or application entry to view its granted permissions and scope. You revoke access by choosing Revoke Access, Disconnect, or Remove Authorization. Discord shows confirmation prompts, so accept to complete the revocation. Once revoked, the bot's token and OAuth grants stop working for your account. If that bot had API keys or webhooks you own, jot them down before removal. Otherwise, disconnecting severs its ability to act on your behalf immediately. Finish by checking servers where the bot had roles. Remove its roles or kick/ban it to prevent re-entry. Make sure you rotate your passwords and reset any API tokens or webhooks that may have been exposed, and confirm two-factor authentication remains enabled to prevent reauthorization. If something goes wrong, like the bot still appears active or you can't revoke a grant, gather timestamps, server ID, and affected bot names, then contact Discord support. Include those details to expedite recovery and prevent recurring access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.